Yeah, yeah. So we want to talk to an AI?
Yeah, we can make it. We could make it talk to. Well, third person might be more fun, but then we could top down would be a little easier as far as like making it believable with animations and stuff.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking of like a cute little I don't know, maybe it could be like expanded into like a top-down farming type game where the NPCs
Ah,
were
like Harvest Moon, but they're like alive and they remember
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, the top down template is a lot of fun now. They've added some juice to it. Oh, I need your plugin.
That would be step one, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, there it is. Okay.
There it is. 5.3.
Yep, I'm in 5.3.
You missed it.
Harvard. Oh yeah, I can't.
A B
There it
C
is.
D.
Yeah, right. So I want to make something that talks to you when you walk up to it. So I'm gonna make two things. I'm gonna make a controller. No, I'm just gonna make a character. Let's
Do you
just
want to start off of the template that I have already, or do you want to make it from scratch?
let's do it from scratch.
Okay.
This would be called Villager Master.
I'm biting my tongue on your, on your naming scheme.
What's the man? It's like gonna be the one that I don't use. That I just child off of.
One.
Parent.
You're already
Okay,
inconsistent
parent.
with
I know.
your casing capitalization.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm the worst.
It's okay.
No, I'm gonna rename it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Villager parent. But what if I
See,
have actual villagers with actual kids? Like then it's gonna get confusing.
okay, see that's what I was. That's the point I was exactly going to make. Why do you need parent on there if you're going to make subclasses off of them? So really, you just need it to be villager, and that will be your base class, and then you have then you name the subclasses whatever you want.
Right.
So you can have villager kid, villager parent. Like you can make the parent a
Subclass, right.
of the.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We're going with villager parent.
That's fine. That's fine.
Villager kid, villager child parent.
Villager parent child.
uh,
Yeah, that sounds like some of the projects I worked on.
yeah. Sorry. We're gonna go with a cylinder. Is a body.
Wait, you have the template. You can just put the animation guy in there.
I could do that.
What's his name?
Manny.
Manny, yes. Okay.
Oh, look at you.
That's the old
That's
guy.
the old Manny. How do I have the old Manny?
He's included with my plugin.
Oh, good. Well, and that's another plus for it.
Didn't feel like upgrading.
Okay. And should we make him a different color? Okay, so there's now villager parent, and he's going to use. We're just gonna give him an animation asset for now.
Okay.
So he's just kind of like.
This is an idol.
Yeah, it does that.
Okay. That's what he does whenever he talks.
Yeah, he just what on earth? I'm just selecting random animations. Okay, now he's like jogging in place.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's see what the other one is. Thingy.
Where's your viewport?
Yeah, it doesn't. It's not supposed to be gone. There we go.
What happened? There you go.
There we go.
Cool. All right.
He's gonna need some sort of interaction, right? Like, so we're gonna want to like cue it.
Yeah. Okay. How do you want to interact? Do you want to? I think a button press would be best.
Let's just do get close.
Get close.
Like trigger. like a
Oh, okay. I was like, why would you use a function for that?
no. Yeah, yeah, we need to figure out the distance, like do a distance to call.
Yeah, on tick.
On tick, so we constantly know.
Yeah. I mean, that's actually not like a
I mean,
bad solution.
there would
It is more
be
expensive, though, I think.
reasons to do that.
Yeah.
None of them
If you didn't
exist
want
here.
to work, like if you couldn't collide with the thing.
That's good enough for government work. Okay. World
So
settings.
what do you want to happen whenever it overlaps?
I want the talking to happen. Just getting the.
You know, what do you want to prompt it with?
Just we'll start with greetings. Let's make it like ultrasound first. It just
Okay,
random.
so
It just
you
will
don't
do a
want
random
to
greeting.
you don't want to actually be able to talk to it yet. You want it to trigger a response.
Yeah, where it just gives you a greeting every single time we walk to it, and then we'll just start making it cooler and cooler.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Character. Yes, I know, internet, that there are other ways to do it. We're not doing it right now. Okay, if that succeeds, we're going to print hello. How fitting. Okay, and then the non-AI stuff should be out of the way. Hello. Hello.
Cool.
We did it. Man, I feel like it takes some tutorials like an hour and a half to do something that simple.
You're not wrong. We're not going too crazy here. But you do need to, I think, go ahead and add the AI stuff now.
Okay.
So,
what's the class called? AI Toolkit?
You can do it one of two ways. You can call the static functions without a component, but there is the AITK component that you can add, and it will essentially it'll just it'll give you events and stuff to hook into without having to bind to them. So you can just say send a request, and then there'll be an event that fires whenever it's done.
I don't see the component.
Search AITK. Oh, you didn't enable it.
Oh, silly me. There it is. There it is. Unenabled.
Your first blunder.
Only slightly less known as Never Start a Land War in Asia.
I think he passed away pretty recently.
Oh, they're all dying. All the people we love are dying.
Everybody's dying. Everybody I loved as a kid. Yeah.
Okay, so now if I open up this thingy,
there you go.
AITK. There it is. AITK component.
Fantastic.
Sweet. So now I can just call off this, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. And I'm assuming it will be open.
Yeah. Yeah, you can actually you can see so whenever you drag off of that, it has so you can look at all the functions that you have. Oh. If you go to ATK component BP, you can see
whisper ChatGPT. Ooh. Add ChatGPT message, cancel PGP. So we need to start a conversation.
So what you're gonna want to do is configure the parameters for the request. So what you have right there is fine. I was just
okay.
If you wanted to find something, I wanted to.
That's really cool.
So yeah, you can go ahead and hook that up to your execution node or execution line or whatever.
And we just build this.
Yeah. Yep. You got it. Promote to variable.
Sweet. Text prompt. Say hi, but only wait.
Oh, that's
Give
TTS.
me a random. Oh wait, is that okay? That's not ChatGPT.
Yeah, you're gonna want send request to ChatGPT. Send request to GPT.
There we go. This is easier than I thought it was going to be.
I'm glad.
And we're using 3.5.
You're not just saying that?
No, I'm not just saying that for real.
Go ahead and bump that up to 4.0, GPT 4.
Yeah, so am I gonna have a syntax problem if I
No.
like that?
It's 4.0, not it's just 4.0. Like that's it.
Like that?
You don't put anything. You don't put turbo. No, it's not 0. It's O. There you go.
Oh,
Don't
4.0 no
on.
turbo. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool. I don't have an API key.
Okay. We can worry about that in a second.
Okay.
So yeah, go to your GPT request struct.
Yes.
Because we want to construct the messages that we're going to preload it with.
Okay.
So system, you don't need to fill out a name, but you can give your AI assistant you can give GPT a name. So
okay.
click the drop down on the system message, and this is just your instruction. ChatGPT, what is it doing? Like, who is it? What kind of response do you want it to make? So in your case, if it's a villager, you can say like, you are a villager in the town of blank, and yeah,
a villager. Man, there's so much we can get so much specific gameplay just by a wow. You're a villager in the town of Half Moon, where everyone dies on Tuesdays but comes back to life mysteriously on Wednesdays.
Is this just your stream of consciousness, or is this like something you've thought of before?
No, this is my stream of consciousness creativity right here.
It's great. I love it.
Okay, let's keep it going. So they come in life on Wednesdays. Everyone is a farmer, but not everyone is nice. You are super nice. You like action figures and Roman history. Everyone in this town talks in a very southern accent, however. Just accent. There we go. Right now, the only thing you can say is hello and about 4 to 8 words of greeting.
How about just like hello and a short greeting?
Okay. I'm used to my prompts being like, don't give me more than 15 words. But yeah. But yeah, that'll be fine. Hello and a short greeting.
It might go crazy and give you the, but
I think that'll work.
So now that you've instructed it, you need to act as if you're asking it a question. So you need to add another message.
So is it another request?
No, there's a drop down. So it's an array of messages that you're sending. So you're sending an array of your conversation to ChatGPT, and this array consists of the messages within the conversation.
Okay, so then I come here and then I say,
you would want to make it a user message because it's kind of like the user saying, like, prompting it what to do. You can do a system message, but it might miss. So if you want to go up to the role and change that to user.
What a nice plugin. This is very good.
Don't schmooze me, Boyle.
Dude, it grays out what not helpful. Like, gosh, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So go ahead and add the text. You can also add an image there.
Hello. I can add an image? Whoa.
Yeah, no, for GPT vision.
Yeah. We'll do that. We'll get there.
Maybe next episode, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's going to say something. How do I parse that?
So you don't. So if you're using the component, you don't actually need that instance right there. You can click on the AITK component BP.
Mm-hmm.
You just click on it. You can actually go to your components on the left there. Yes, and you have events that you can hook into there.
Oh, how cool! This is
So
awesome.
on GPT completed. Sorry, there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
There you go. So
And then
now
I
you
break
can
that.
you don't have to break it because you could break it manually, but I have some
Oh,
options to be able to get to the messages easier.
sweet.
So you can do like if you drag off that and then just say get. It should say like get message from completion.
And we're just gonna get the first one right, so 0.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sweet. And then, so do I break this?
I think you can get message off of that. There's a secondary utility.
Okay.
Yeah, get message content.
Sweet. That's even easier.
Yeah.
All right, and we're just gonna print it.
Sure.
Just see if it works. So now all we need is a key.
Oh, right. Yeah. I can just send you mine real quick.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can go at the top right and do create new secret key.
Okay. Well, that's easy. I'm gonna do that off screen though. Just see if it works. So now all we need is a key. Okay, so is it gonna be down here in AI?
Developer settings. Yep. It should be at the top.
Ooh. Plain text OpenAI into 11 Labs. Ooh. And you just put one. I like that.
Yeah, I always have to have my output log open. Because I used to not. I used to be like, that's just extra information. I don't need to know. And I was like, no. The developers put
Well,
stuff
howdy
in the
there.
log, tell you what's going on.
You see that?
Oh no, what's that?
Well, howdy there.
nice.
Ain't no fine day in Half Moon.
Wow, that was so fast.
Well, howdy there. Mighty fine to
so
see
cool.
you. Yeah.
Wow, that's incredibly fast.
Let me my internet's slow too. And we're doing a lot of stuff on my slow internet. Let me lengthen this. It's funny when you're like having a talk and like do stuff at the same time. I'm like, how do I lengthen a print string?
Brain no worky.
Yeah. Howdy there, partner. What a fine Wednesday morning we got here, ain't it? Oh, it's so good. Yeah. Oh, so much content already just from hooking this up. Plug and play. Hello there. Ain't a fine day in Half Moon. Y'all staying out of trouble.
Let's make it talk.
Okay, you want more?
I mean, I guess like we could do an AI, not an AI, a UI, and put that up there.
You want 11 Labs? No. Let's just make it
whatever
voice.
you want.
Let's do voice.
Yeah, we can just do OpenAI.
Okay.
You already have the param set up for it.
That's right, I do.
Yeah. So on completed, you can just feed that message content.
Oh, and that's the same key too, isn't it?
Yeah, same key.
Okay. So then open AI TTS. This one?
Yep. Mm-hmm. And so what I typically do if I have it already in variable, the struct in a variable, you can drag off params struct node that you have there.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And do no, you want to do set members in. There you go.
Okay.
And so it's a little confusing. It took me a while to like understand how this works, but it is that since it's a diamond, it's a reference to the actual object. It's not a copy.
Okay.
So it is whenever you set members in OpenAI TTS or whatever, whenever you set the members in the struct, it will change the variables or the parameters in the input struct.
Oh, so
So
yeah, so it's new. Okay.
yeah, exactly. So you are actually modifying the struct itself. So yeah, you just get the struct out, which like to further my point, that struct out is the same exact thing as the params in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's just there for convenience.
Right.
So you can just put that struct out, just put that into the params right there. You don't need to do anything. Oh, I'm sorry. We do need to.
Don't we need to break
Oh,
it?
okay. Yeah, go ahead and just put the params over there. The struct out. Go put in the params. There.
Okay.
And now you go to set members. Right. It looks like it's not doing anything, right? But if you click on that and go over to the right and click that drop down, now you can set the parameters in there.
Oh. Voice alloy. Okay, we'll just leave it default. Oh my gosh, Caleb, what a good job! Good job, buddy.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I was kind of like, man, I should have been using this a long time ago. That's because this is just Unreal Engine stuff. Like I didn't,
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
it's just like the best way to do it.
I know we put a.
Yeah. So
VR
really, like
dating
all
app
we need.
we did. We use struct so much. We really should have done this.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So we want just the text prompt. Really, that's pretty much it.
But can't we tell it the voice and stuff?
Yeah, you can tell it the voice and stuff.
We'll just do that.
But, yeah. So yeah, just plug that in there.
Does it have to make it? Do we have to spawn? We need to spawn like a voice actor, right? Like a voice.
Yes. Yes, but since it gives it as a 2D sound, sorry, it gives it as just a regular U sound and procedural sound, you should be able to just do exactly what you're doing on it.
Just do that.
No, you're gonna want to get the event, the async event, because it needs to generate it first.
Okay, so
you want to go back to your component because it has an event already hooked up for you.
Oh, this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. Yes. Okay, so this will.
Yeah, and also I think you're using the wrong text to. It should say send request. Because
text prompt.
No, you're good. Leave how you had it. That's perfect. Yeah. Okay, so delete your send text to OpenAI TTS.
Oh, that doesn't need to be done.
Yes. Drag your TK component off of there. Off of your component. Yeah. Get that. Send request to OpenAI TTS.
Okay, that's different. Yeah,
All
that
right.
was the wrong thing.
Perfect. So now that what that does is bind the events. Like when you use the component, it binds the.
Oh, beautiful. Okay,
which,
that.
Yeah.
Caleb, I'm impressed, man. I know how much work it is to you. We were just not arguing. I was just complaining to you earlier how frustrating it was just to add a new class to my plugin, and here you are with this. This is amazing. Okay,
Thanks,
we're gonna go on 11.
It's gonna be on OpenAI TTS. Do I have a? It should be there.
On WebSocket audio finished? No.
No. An audio initialize. That's right. On audio initialize, because it uses the same events as the 11 labs.
Okay. Well, that's simple. No way. It's just that easy.
Oh, sorry. It's so let me explain a little bit more. So whenever it initializes the sound wave, that's just the initialization.
It worked though.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it just worked, dude. It just worked. Like, did you not hear it? Here, let's do it again.
No, I didn't. It just worked.
Yeah. Listen.
Oh, I guess that's okay because you can just spawn the
Well,
sound and then it'll
howdy
exist
there, partner.
until it gets
Quaint little
destroyed.
Tuesday we're having, ain't it? Well, howdy there, darling. Ain't it a
Is it
fine
working?
day
I
here
can't
in
hear
Half
it.
Moon?
Yeah, you can't hear it. Oh, you
Oh,
can't
I
hear
have you
mine.
muted. I have you.
Okay, they can
Here.
hear it. Um,
Yeah.
can you? Yeah, try to
Do it
listen.
again. Do it again.
Okay.
Well, howdy there.
Ah,
Mighty fine to see a friendly face around these parts.
that's awesome.
Yeah, it just works. It's
There
like
we go.
Well, howdy there, partner. How's your day going?
Oh my god, you don't have to write
Well, howdy
lines
there,
and lines of
friend. How you
dialogue to
doing this
choose
fine
from
Wednesday?
randomly.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna make a bunch of different people, and we're gonna give them different personalities, and
Yeah.
and
Make that a variable. Like make the personality a variable.
yeah, let's make it an exposed variable, so I can just do it like a level designer. Variable.
Yes.
String. Yeah, because we'll just feed it right into ChatGPT. This is amazing. Okay.
It's quite fun.
Personality. Okay. And let's expose it, and then we'll have to edit this prompt. Okay, let's break this. I don't even think I need you. I don't need you.
Okay.
I know what
Cook.
we're okay. And we're gonna make this. And okay, so the required params, advanced params. Okay, which
Wait.
one?
Why are you breaking and making? You can just set.
Oh, yeah. But it's already like, so wait, am I gonna break stuff?
No. So it's worse whenever you break it and make it because you have to feed it all of the parameters again.
Yeah. Okay,
But if
okay.
you're just setting the members, it's only setting the ones that are exposed with the little check marks.
Wait, that doesn't seem right.
Set members.
There we go. Okay. And then
So
we're gonna go
yeah.
messages. And then we have a wait, is there anything else that we needed? We use the messages had a system message and a user message. That's all we need, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can just make the messages the variable.
Yeah.
Promote the variable. There you go.
And then
You can make that an exposed variable, public variable, and you won't have to worry about
yeah.
anything else really. Like you're done.
Yeah, we did it. Okay, that makes sense.
But then yeah, you gotta hook it back up, of course.
Well then, so is it? Let's get.
So you're gonna be overriding whatever the default is whenever you.
Yeah. I just want that system. Okay, here's the thing. I want the system default to stay the same, but I want the personality like another one. It's like, oh, by the way, you're a jerk, and then
go to your GPT request real quick, and you can just copy the messages array over.
No, that's right. Right click, copy, paste.
There you go.
Okay.
And then that should just have the same as what it was before. But in your instance, in your level, you can modify what those say.
Yeah, I'm going to.
And you can also go like one step further and like just add another message that has additional information about what it should be.
Right.
Like, you can make it as modular as you want.
I think that's what we'll do. I just want to make sure. Okay, it is in there. It is in there how I want it. Okay.
But right now, you should be able to modify the instance.
Okay, so here. Oh, I can't see. There we go. So here, let's leave it clean and do this. Move it up. Go system message, and it's going to be your name is Larry, and you're a jerk. And then
This would be a good opportunity to put the name or put Larry in for the name at the top there. Below the role.
Wait, that's a different exposed variable. Role name.
Mhm.
Right here?
You can just put Larry, yeah. It won't accept faces, by the way.
Okay.
But that will actually be returned. The name of whoever is saying the message will be returned with the response struct. So if you have like multiple in a conversation.
Oh, you can see it in your message logs and stuff.
Right, yeah, you can. That's a way to like filter it to. I don't know. It's just another way to filter who's saying what. But yeah, like Larry right there would be great.
Cooper. This is Cooper.
Oh, this is Cooper.
And you're super nice and really into football. Ooh, and then turn around. This is just, we're done, right? Like,
Yeah,
this is
we're
amazing.
done after this.
And then your name is Sally, and you're secretly a superhero.
Oh, did you hook up the execution notes?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Missed
I
that.
knew that I needed to go back and tell you to hook something up, but I didn't.
Yeah,
What it was.
yeah. And it's like everything looks fine. Then you actually
Yeah.
looked at it, and I was like, "Oh wait,
All right.
there's an issue." Okay, so I messed up Cooper. Let me fix him.
Back amongst the living.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the
Howdy
world.
there.
Now we gotta give him different voices.
Well, howdy there, friend. Ain't it a beautiful day in Half
Yeah, let me
Moon?
give you the list of voices.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so
it's capitalized. You can't have it capitalized.
oh, it just poof.
So yeah, it was trying to play it, but it was actually an error.
Which is just white noise of ASCII text being interpreted as dialogue.
I assume so.
Howdy there. How y'all doing today?
There you go.
Well, howdy there. Ain't it just another purty day here in Half Moon? How can I help you, darling? Well, howdy there.
It tried to do an emoji. Come on.
It did. Let's see what the
If you look in
log
the output
says.
log, it'll show. Yeah, dude, look at the output log. It'll show you.
Here, let me stop it.
Oh, see that's what I was talking about with the audio finish playing. If you destroy it after it's done playing, then it won't do that error. Or that
Okay.
won't.
See on Discord, so you can.
Yeah. What is it?
Oh, it's like wheat or something.
Oh, okay.
Crazy.
Well, shoot. I guess we kind of made a thing. Like you can build off of that, and
Yeah, we could
swap
just tell it no
whatever.
emojis and
Yeah.
but this is essentially the world. Like we could just continue.
Dude, how long was
adding
it?
prompts and
Was that like about an hour?
Yeah, it wasn't long.
For most of it.
yeah. Most of what we're doing was shooting a breeze. This is pretty straightforward.
We can just do this the right way too, and just have
not my
have an audio
way.
component. So yeah, if you add an audio component, there, it's right at the top. Yeah, audio.
Just audio. Okay.
Yeah, and so that'll kind of just be like its voice box, and you can start and stop it.
So I can just set it and then
Yep.
play it.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, you can set the sound whenever it's initialized, and then done generating, you can play it immediately, and yeah.
Okay, and then and the sound will automatically be from the location.
Right, yeah. Mhm. If
Uh,
you have the what is it called? Um, Attenuation. You have to have the attenuation set on it if you want to actually have it come from that location, but it will work the way it is right now.
here you go. Now you can be happy with
And
me.
so- yeah, and so on audio finish, you can just call stop
Okay.
on the audio. And then that should stop it from.
Yeah, that'd probably cause a RAM error if I didn't do that over
Yeah.
time.
Yeah, it'll automatically get
Well, howdy
garbage.
there. Ain't it a fine Wednesday morning?
I love how they give little lore drops sometimes.
Well, howdy there. Ain't it a fine day and half moon? I'm mighty pleased to see ya.
I don't know. You're supposed to be a jerk, though, Larry.
Well, howdy there. I'm pleased as punch to see ya. Ain't it a fine day
Punch.
here in half moon?
He's like not a jerk. He's the opposite. He's
Yeah.
actually super nice.
Well, howdy there. Ain't it a fine day here in Half Moon? What's got you running around these parts?
No, you know.
Just game Devin. Uh,
Well, let's wrap it up.
yeah, let me
Ship it. Let's put it on Steam, bro.
Yeah, right. Yeah, done.